This is a zebrafish tail. Here you can see the blood cells flowing. There is a, you can observe the in the center there is a vessel. From heart the blood is being pumped, and from the back of the tail, from the tip of the tail, you can see the blood is again coming back to the heart. I mean, it's returning. You can see the pace in the center. The pulse is faster. The pulsating flow of blood you can see faster, whereas the flow when the blood is returning to the center is a little bit slow. That is, the pressure when it is coming from the heart is higher compared to when it is returning back to the heart. Yeah. See, this is a tip. You can see the heart now. Yeah, this is the maximum I can focus. This is 100x 10x objective with 10x eyepiece.